Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a free web page site thing with Google. Now you can use all kinds of different softwares, but Google is easy, free, and it can connect to your Google Drive, your Google Forms, and all kinds of other tools created by Google. So you first want to head over to your browser. I am going to put this link in the description. Now, you won't see any of these. These are sites that I've made. You have your template gallery for personal, work, small business, and education. You can choose from one of these, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to do a blank site. Now, when you first open your blank site, you will be greeted with a tutorial, which is just going to take you to template gallery. But it's a drag and drop thing, so it's very simple to use. We're first going to go over the main toolbox over here. You've got text box, images, embed, drive. You've got your content blocks, collapsible group, table of contents, and more. You can even connect it to your YouTube channel, your calendar, map, docs, slides, your sheets, forms, your charts. You can even add your social links if you want to. On pages, you can add different pages like your home page. You can make a new menu selection, a full page embed, or just a plain blank page. You've got themes. You can create a custom theme, or you can upload a theme from another site that you've created. Or you can use ones created by Google. All these different themes here. And the theme's the color of your site, the kind of the font of your text, the color of your text, and more. Now for this video, let's go with this one. Or here, let's go. Oh, dang, I'm having a hard time too. Let's go with this one. You can also create a custom theme. Up here, you've got your header. You can choose an image. You can either select an image from here by URL, Google Images, Photos, and your Google Drive. Or you can upload one from your computer. Up here you can also add your site name, which I'm just going to put test site. Now we're going to start playing around with the tools. Now here's the header. Oh shoot. Can't do that weird thing. There we go. Home page. Kinda moved it to the side there a little bit. Now let's add a text box. You can just press on it. Then it'll place down a text box where you will have all kinds of customization. You can choose the font, the text color. So I'm going to put welcome to the test site. Make sure to like. You can also embed, image, and drive. So let's say that we want to add an image. We could select or upload. don't got any images here. Embed is like, say that you want to add another site, but embedded to your site. All you would do here is place the link of the site, and then, or you can add an embedded code. This I'm not going to explain too much, but say that you've created your own AI application or something like that. You would put the embedded code in here, and then it would be in your site. Just something like that. Like if you make something like an AI with JotForm, or make an app with JotForm, or make an app with something else, or all kinds of other softwares, if they have it, you can put your HTML code in here, and then it will be embedded into your site. Now let's say that we wanted to add a, here, what do we want to add? Let's see, let's move the content blocks. Let's add a collapsible group. So this is self-explanatory. You have like the header thing here, and then if someone clicks on it, you'll be able to see more information about whatever you want it to be down below it. So let's say tools, more tools that we have made. Then you can either add the link here, like, oops, tool 1, tool 2, tool 3, tool 4, on and on, or you can put, hey, welcome, etc., etc. And then once you click on it, you're able to see what you have added under there. Oh, I forgot about this part. You also can add a footer by taking your mouse and putting it down here. If you press on that, you can also choose the kind of text you want. So let's make a title. Let's make the text color to red. Let's get rid of that. You've got a line and all kinds of stuff. We can even choose a font. Let's do that. Warning. This is a test site. Testing only. If you click off of it, you're able to see it below your site. Let's add another page because we don't want to put everything of our website on just one home page. So let's go over here to pages. Let's create a new page. The name of the page is going to be shop. Oh no, shop. As you can see, users can flip through. You can also hide it if you want to, by hiding it from navigation, which will make it no longer show up there. So if you're on your home page, so that you want a button to get to it, let's put a button here. Shop page. The link, you can put shop, or you can put a link to another website, one of your tools, or whatever. Just a link to anything. But this one's just going to be our shop page. Shop page. Now, they won't be able to get to it up here or on the side. They can only get to it from the button. Let's see. Let's add a shop page. What should we put on our shop page? Let's put an image. Let's get a content block. So the content blocks are going to show a picture of something, or you can upload something, you can select an image, you can get it from your drive, you can even show a YouTube video, a calendar, or a map. So we're just going to do a selected image, which I don't have any in there. So let's get it from the upload. I have all kinds of AI created images, don't worry about that. Then say that we're selling like t-shirt designs or something. Workout t-shirt. Yeah, we're selling t-shirts. For some reason it's not wanting to load, but you can also create an under text warning, like a warning under here. You can add the price to it. Price like $40 was $50. Let's do another one. Say that we're selling another t-shirt. Let's do this one. T-shirt. T-shirt. And then you can add the name of the t-shirt. Let's say, I don't know, I got a good name for it. I'm just gonna say t-shirt. Price $80. Now for you, it won't be loading, but for me, it's wanting to load for some reason. I think it's the recording software. My cat's wanting to jump up on my desk. So yeah, you've got bigger content blocks. I just used a 2-block one, but you got all this one, this one, this one. You got this one that has like, I don't know, 4. Yeah, 4. You can add your links. You can add the purchase button under it, the buy, and then a link to like Shopify or something like that, or whatever kind of purchasing site thing. Because you can't, yeah, I don't think you're able to make it so you can buy things off of the Google sites, but you can use other tools to do that, but make this site a place where you can get to it. You know what I mean? So a lot of this is self-explanatory, so I'm going to go over how you publish it and how you can do other settings and stuff to your site. Up here on this settings box, here's your navigation. You can either choose the top or the side. This is, where you hid the site, you hid it from navigation. On this page, the shop page, how you get up here and move around. If you put it on the side, then it'll be up here, these 3 little lines that you have to do, and they'll have cool animation on the side of it, and you can change pages from here. Now be warned that phones, even if you have it up on the top, phones are automatically going to have it on the side, and computers are automatically going to have it up here, unless you have it switched to the side. But no matter what you have it on, phones are always going to have it on the side. I think laptops tablets do it too. I'm not too sure about tablets. You've got the color of it, like here. It's transparent, but you can make it black, or you can make it white. You've got your brand images. Now, you can choose your logo in your favicon. I can't say that. Now this will be, how when you go to a site, before you click on it, you can see the logo of it. This is what this is. And the logo of it will show up here. So it's up to the logo. Do this one. You can also add an alt text for people that have trouble seeing it. As you can see, it's already popped up on the side here, and then we can upload it for this one as well, so then before people click on it, they can see the cool looking logo there. Viewer tools, I would keep these on what they are, but you can change them if you want. You got info icon, your anchor links, custom domain. I haven't ever made a custom domain or messed with this. But You can if you want to. It's just I don't think it's free to make a custom domain, especially with other third-party tools. Analytics. I've set this up before. I will make a different video on how to set up analytics to your Google Sites or other things. Your announcement banner. This is where it pops up a banner at the top to like say, hey, we have a new product available or something like that. New t-shirt. Out now, 40% off. Then you can add like an emoji by it, like a warning thing or a bell. You can choose the banner color. You can also add a label to it. A button to it. So if they click on it, it will send them to a link or send them to the page. And you can also have the option to make it go to open in a new tab. Now once you close out of that, you will now see your new banner. You can see the logo. Now I'm going to show you how you can preview and test your site before publishing it. Now you want to go up here to where it says preview. Now, as you can see, you've got your... Oh, I forgot to hide that page, but that button works. It sends you... Oh, there's those. So you can see you have your pages. You have this thing. Your banner's working. You can also choose to see what device. You've got phone, tablet, or large screen. So let's change it to phone. As you can see there, it's working. You can navigate through it. You can choose tablet. And large screen. Then to exit out of it, you press this exit preview. Now, best part is publishing your site. You want to go up here to the big blue publish sign. Your web address, test site. There. Tech support. We did not do the custom domain. Who can view your site? It's going to automatically be on anyone, but you can manage it if you would like. Search settings. You can request a public search engine to not display your site. This will make it so only people that you send the link to or give the link to will be able to get to this site. Then you can press publish. Now your site has been published. You can get to the site from your Google Drive. To edit it, you can also copy the link up here. Go here and then paste it. Then you will see your site fully published. You've got your shop page and everything is working right. You've even got your little logo up there. Now if you go to your drive, you can see your test site in here. I hope that helped you create a free site. Goodbye.